Waste Management Service in Farmington, Minnesota. Looking for reliable waste management service in Farmington, Minnesota? Done Right Dumpsters is your go-to provider for all waste removal needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, cleaning out clutter, or managing a construction site, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit your requirements. At Done Right Dumpsters, we prioritize customer satisfaction and efficient service. Our dumpsters are perfect for handling a wide range of debris, including household junk, yard waste, and construction materials. We provide flexible rental periods, so you can keep the dumpster for as long as you need to complete your project. We understand that your time is valuable, which is why we ensure timely drop-off and pickup, without any hidden fees or hassle. Our friendly, professional team is ready to assist you in selecting the right dumpster size for your needs. Our transparent pricing ensures you get great value for your money. Serving Farmington, Done Right Dumpsters is committed to providing the best waste disposal solutions. Whether it's a small home cleanout or a major construction job, we've got you covered. Call us today at 612-403-5999 to schedule your dumpster rental and experience hassle-free service. Trust Done Right Dumpsters for dependable, affordable waste management service in Farmington, Minnesota.